we are going to learn about the Python Panda series. So here, let us begin. Panda series, simply it is a data structure that is a one-dimensional and it is capable of holding any data type, means it can hold integer, string, floating point number, pattern object, etc. Normally it have the two main object. One is called an array of actual data, जो आपका actual data है, and second it will hold the index और data label. तो यहाँ पे नॉर्मली टू कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, एक आपका एक्चुअल डाटा है एंड उनके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग आपका इंडेक्स है एंड बोथ नीड टू बी ऑफ सेम लेंथ. इट मीन्स इफ यू हैव द टोटल नंबर ऑफ डाटा इज 4 तो इंडेक्स ऑल्सो नीड टू बी ऑफ 4. दोनों की लेंथ सेम होनी चाहिए. By default you will see here index will be go from 0 to n-1 where n is the length of your series. One more example, data is here and index is here. So index could be number, index could be string and index could be character. Basic features: it must hold a homogeneous data. Size is immutable. Once you have created a series, you cannot able to resize it. आप उसके साइज में कोई भी चेंज नहीं करेंगे, आप नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स को चेंज नहीं कर सकते. बट द वैल्यू ऑफ सीरीज इज म्यूटेबल. इट मीन्स जो डाटा है सीरीज के अंदर इट इज mutable. It means you can change the value but you cannot change its size. Next, how to create a series. So simply whenever you are going to create a series, you can use it using the constructor and the syntax is pandas dot series. Argument है data, then index, data type and copy. So it is the syntax that how to create a series. Now series can be created using array, using dictionary and third using the scalar value or constant value. Now we will learn to create a series using all these methods one by one. पहले है we are creating it using the series constructor. Whenever you are using only the series constructor, it means what here you don't pass any argument, so it will create a empty series. Empty series means what? It doesn't have any data. और अगर डाटा नहीं है तो उसके कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग आपका कोई भी इंडेक्स भी नहीं होगा. नाउ हाउ टू क्रिएट इट, हाउ टू डू इट. सो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू हाउ टू डू इट प्रैक्टिकली. Whenever you are working on series or data frame, you have to import pandas. Here you have to import pandas as PD. Where? What is a PD? PD is an alternative name given to Panda module. PD is an alternative name given to the Panda module. अगर आप यहाँ पे PD नहीं लिखेंगे तो you have always to use pandas instead of PD. So here I have created an object OP and that PD dot series. तो जो भी आपने यहाँ पे empty series बनाई है, it will be assigned to the OB. Now here you are going to print the OB. So here it will print the empty list because यहाँ पे अभी हमारे पास लिस्ट में कोई भी एलिमेंट, सीरीज में कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है. Now how to create a non-empty series. Obviously अगर वो आपका non-empty है तो it means you need to pass data. So here you will see pd.series pd.series, it means pd is an alias name for the pandas module. So instead of using the pandas we can simply use the pd. Series एक constructor है and here we have the two arguments. One is the data and second is the index. In place of data, it can be Python sequence, AND array, Python dictionary और scalar value. It means डाटा के लिए हम यहाँ पे कोई भी Python का sequence या AND array या एक डिक्शनरी एंड स्केलर वैल्यू को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अब हम इन्हीं को वन बाई वन एग्जाम्पल लेके यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. एंड सेकेंड आर्गूमेंट जो आपका इंडेक्स है, इंडेक्स में सिंपली एज यू नो by default it will begin from 0 but you can pass any kind of value of your choice. So here now one example is given here. In order to use the pandas series we need to import the pandas and then we have created a object pandas object, a series object, that is op pd.series range 5. Here we are going to give the data with the help of the range method. जो डाटा जो आर्गूमेंट है उसमें जो भी वैल्यूज आएंगी वो रेंज मेथड की हेल्प से हम यहाँ पे OP ऑब्जेक्ट में असाइन करेंगे. रेंज एक मेथड है जिसमें हम यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आर गिवन हियर द 5 एंड द अपर लिमिट इज ऑल्सो द 5. तो इट विल बिगिन फ्रॉम 0 टू अपर लिमिट -1. अपर लिमिट इज 5, दैट मीन्स हियर 5 - 1 इक्वल टू 4. तो यहाँ पे जो आपके एलिमेंट्स होंगे इट इज द 1 is 0, second then 1, 2, 3 and 4, and by default index will start from 0 and number of elements are 5. That's why it is always the n-1, where simple n is the number of elements. तो number of elements यहाँ पे 5 है तो index will go from 0 to 4. So with the help of the range method we have provided the values for the data argument. In the next example you will see here we have provided the values. We have direct provided the values with the help of the Python sequence. Here total values are 4, that is 3, 5, 4 and 4.5. Because 4.5 that's why 3 को हमें 3.0 कहते हैं क्योंकि जो भी हमारा यहाँ पे डाटा है वो होमोजीनियस होना चाहिए. Now but again that means it is the number of elements are 4. So indexing will begin from 0 to 4 minus 1, that is the 3. So here you will look here. Now we are creating the series with the help of the AND array. With the help of the AND array we are creating the series. Again AND array means what? It need to import the numpy. Numpy का alive name we have given np1. Now we have created the array as array is a homogeneous collection of elements. So here we are passing the ABCD and ABCD means what? It is the characters. So just look here, series data and what output is ABCD and by default because 4 elements हैं तो आपकी जो indexing है वो 0 to 3 जाएगी. And in the next we have the two argument data and index. Here हम लोगों ने कोई आर्गूमेंट पास नहीं किया था, यहाँ पे आपने पास किया है इंडेक्स. इंडेक्स में जब आपने वैल्यू पास की है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वैल्यू योर इंडेक्स विल बी क्रिएटेड. And again because here we are using data is the main that will hold all the values and index will be assigned as per your requirement. So if you are not passing any index then by default it will begin with 0 and in that case here it is beginning with 100 as you have passed the value. Now just go to it. It is the series object. P1 is your alias name and series is a constructor. Two arguments are here, one is the data and is एलिमेंट्स 4 हैं तो व्हाट विल हैपन, हमारा जो इंडेक्स है इट विल अगेन फ्रॉम 0 to 3 बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट, बट नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स 4 हैं तो इंडेक्स भी 4 होंगे. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आई हैव given the name of the index. One index is called the 100, 101, 102 and 103. Now I am going to print the series object and output is like this. It is the ABC and here it is your index ABC and it is the D. The total number of elements are 4, total index are 4 and the value of data is ABCD and it is the value of your indexes. So here I have passed the two index. I have passed the two argument. One is called data and another one is called index. Now here index is starting from 100 as you have passed here. Now we are going to create a series with the help of a dictionary. Always remember whenever you are going to create a series with dictionary, to here dictionary means what? You having a pair of the key and value. It is a key, it is value. Again key value. Total how many key value pair here? 3 key value pairs are here. तो जब भी हम डिक्शनरी की हेल्प से क्रिएट करते हैं सीरीज, तो यहाँ पे जो आपकी कीज़ हैं दे विल एक्ट एज द इंडेक्स while your value will act as the data. So whenever I'm going to get like this and just check out the output here, data is 31, 28 and again 31 and your index will be January, Feb and March. It is just like this. Now we are creating a series with the help of the scalar value. Here 10 is passed, index is 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 10 is repeated. 10 will repeat it how many times? It will repeat it the 3 times. Cause आपकी रेंज जा रही है 0 to 3 and you always remember कि जो भी अपर लिमिट होती है हम अपर लिमिट में से -1 करते हैं तो it will go from 0, 1 and 2 and 10 will be repeated 3 times. 10 will be repeated 3 times as per the number of index. अगर मान लीजिए if you having the range from 0 to 5 तो what will happen? 0,3 मतलब 0 to 4. Next, here your scalar value is 15 and index की जो वैल्यू है it is 1,6. तो जो ये 1 है ये आपकी स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू है, स्टॉपिंग वैल्यू 6 है. तो एज वी नो रेंज में जो भी अपर लिमिट होती है उससे हम -1 चलते हैं. तो यानी जो आपके इंडेक्स क्रिएट हो गए 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. बट हियर स्टेप इज गिवन द 2. आपको स्टेप भी गिवन है वो 2 का है. तो पहला इंडेक्स होगा 1, देन 3 and then 5. तो हियर आपके जो इंडेक्सेस होंगे 1, 3 and 5 and value is 15 is a scalar value, तो what it will repeat it 3 times. रेंज के केस में you need to remember starting value, stopping value and the step. Here again it is scalar value. Here we have the scalar value as a string and the index are Sonia, Vinay, Anuj. Now check out the output. Index Sonia, Vinay, Anuj and welcome to teachers will be repeated 3 times. Here we having the sum series object attribute that will give property to your series. सीरीज़ को प्रॉपर्टी प्रोवाइड करने के लिए हम एट्रीब्यूट को यूज़ करेंगे. पहला एट्रीब्यूट है इंडेक्स वैल्यूज। सेकेंड एट्रीब्यूट हमारा वैल्यूज है एंड वी नो दैट attribute simple provide a properties to the series object. So whenever you are using the series dot values, it returns the ND array. It means it will display all the values which are already given in your series object. Another is D type. D type means what? It will return the data type of your series object. It could be integer, it could be dictionary, and it could be scalar quantity and float. Series dot shape. Shape means simply it will return the tuple of the shape of underlying data. And byte it means and byte the number of bytes. And dim means it returns the number of dimension. Already we know that series is one dimensional while data frame is the two dimensional. So here it will always return the one. Now size, it returns the number of elements present in your series object. Item size, it returns the size of the data type. For example, it is a float and float it returns the 8. Has nans, it returned true if there are any nan. Nan means not a number. It means अगर आपके सीरीज ऑब्जेक्ट में कोई भी nan है, कोई भी nan वैल्यू है तो सिंपली इट विल रिटर्न द ट्रू. एंड अगर कोई nan वैल्यू नहीं है तो इट वॉन्ट रिटर्न, that means it return false. Empty, it is going to check whether it is empty or not. If it is empty, so it will return true, else return false. Now we will look it at practically. We will look at practically it. Here we are again importing the pandas as PD. PD is a live name, and we are creating the series with the help of a range method. Range method means it is your lower limit, upper limit and true step. तो लोअर लिमिट आपकी 1 है, अपर लिमिट इज 15 है, तो 15 minus 1 it will range to the 14 यानी 1 to 14. But here it is your step यानी step means what? It will first is the 1, then 4, then 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13. So it means your values will be like this, that is 1, 4, 7, 10 and 13. Now what about the index? Because you are passing the index attribute, so you are passing the index argument, it means now the value will be assigned according to your loop A, B, C, D, E. Because here are 5 data values, then index will be assigned as it A, it is B. I am also writing here it is the A, it is B, then C, D and E. Now attributes index, so it will display only the index. If I'm adding the values, it will write only the values as we have already written here. Shape, that means what it is. What is the shape? How many elements are there? There are 5 elements, so that's why it will return in the form of a tuple. Now size, number of elements, it is a 5. And bytes, because by default one element is taking the 8 bytes, so 8 into 5 that is a 40. Dimensional series है 1D है, that's why 1 है. And item size is 8 here. Next, now how we are going to access the series object. First we are creating a series object. We are creating a series object here, A is a data. Data में we have used the numpy and